in the last session, we have started the exception handling concepts and we have already covered the try, catch, and finally blocks. So what are the uses of these blocks? How to use those, that we have already covered. So today we are going to see the next part, that is the use of throw and throws clause. So first we will see the use of throw. Here I am creating a new class. Throw example, including the main method. So throw is used for throwing the exception externally. That means explicitly. So whenever you want to explicitly throw any exception, we use this throw keyword. And the syntax for throwing the exception is throw new type of exception, then the parameters if any. Okay. So here we will perform one operation that is going to throw the exception. So first, I'm going to throw the arithmetic exception directly using this throw keyword. Okay. So we will perform using some method creation. So first I will create few methods. For suppose the method is public static double compute.